वीडियो में हम बात कर चुके थे इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में। आज हम बात करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में। There are four major types of presentation. The first one is the reading delivery. The second one is the memorized delivery. The third one is extemporaneous delivery. The fourth one is impromptu delivery. The reading delivery जिस तरह के नाम से ज़ाहिर है, इसमें स्पीकर या प्रेजेंटर जो है बिल्कुल रीडिंग कर रहा होता है and he keep his nose stuck in the paper. He cannot maintain his eye contact with the audience. उसके दिल में ये होप होता है अगर मैंने किसी के साथ आई कांटेक्ट रखा अपने ऑडियंस के साथ तो मुझसे जहाँ से मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ वो लाइन मुझसे गुम हो जाएगा. आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक फर्दर. Or speaker definitely looks like a robot to the audience. This is a very bad experience. Neither presenter enjoy it nor the audience appreciate it. So it is not very good presentation. It is good only in one case, जब कोई country अपनी पॉलिसी देना चाह रही होती है या a company want to share their policy, so they use this kind of a presentation because they want to deliver word by word or line by line. So in that case it is good, but in other cases it's the worst thing. The second one, the memorized delivery. जिस तरह के नाम से ज़ाहिर है, इसमें प्रेजेंटर या स्पीकर अपना स्पीच याद करके या रट्टा लगा के ऑडियंस के सामने अफेयर होता है. द स्पीच इज टोटली मेमोराइज, बट द ह्यूज डिफेक्ट्स इज दैट आवर माइंड इज अनरिलायबल. किसी को सारे अल्फाज, वर्ड्स या लाइंस याद नहीं रहते. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज a huge chance of making mistakes. His mind is engaged in remembering words. His own personality is not included in the presentation, and most of the times they forget the lines and then they are standing awkward, silence, and they having nothing to say. So it's also not a very good type of presentation. We should avoid it. The third one is the best type of presentation. Because in this type of presentation, speaker use outline, note cards or slides to keep hints of whatever he has prepared. He just take hints from the notes card or slides and then speaks in detail in front of audience. He keep his eye contacts with the audience. He share his experiences, take question from the audience. He effectively and in a very easy way interact with the audience. Speaker looks very relaxed and confident. Audience also enjoy the presentation, while the presenter also try his best to deliver to its fullest. So it is one of the famous and best presentation method. The fourth one is the impromptu delivery. हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि someone suddenly ask you to come on stage and say something. मसलन हम किसी जलसे या कहीं पे मौजूद है और कोई कह दे आपको कि आप स्टेज पे आके कुछ बोल ले या कोई स्पीच डिलीवर करे जिसको आपको पहले से कोई आइडिया नहीं है, तो दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रेजेंटेशन और डिलीवरी इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉम्प्टू डिलीवरी because you have to speak unexpectedly and there is a very less chance that you will succeed in such kind of a presentation and such kind of a speech because it needs a lot of speakers, it needs a lot of practice for this kind of a speech. इसमें सिर्फ एक ही किस्म के लोग ज़्यादातर कामयाब हो सकते हैं and they are the public speakers जो बार बार बोलते हैं and they having a lot of practice of speaking in front of audience and mostly they manage to speak on so many issues. So it is also not very good type of presentation. Thank you so much. If you having any kind of a question, you can share with me without any hesitation.